Since its establishment in 1948, Kingda Pump Group has been innovating the world with industry. In the long history of more than 70 years, Kingda Pump Group has worked with customers to jointly develop slurry pumps, ceramic pumps, dredging pumps, desulfurization pumps, and shield pumps. It has made outstanding contributions and achieved remarkable results in all fields including mining and metallurgy, water conservancy dredging, slurry shield, environmental desulfurization, and municipal engineering, becoming a benchmark enterprise leading the industry. Kingda Group covers an area of over 200,000 square meters and produces more than 10,000 sets various pumps annually. Use technology to realize every possibility: intelligent design, intelligent manufacturing, and intelligent detection. Leveraging technology, Kingda Group has developed an intelligent operation system that is state-aware, operation controllable, faults predictive, efficiency optimized, and enables intelligent decision-making. Intelligent factory, full process data detection to ensure product quality. Kingda Pump has gathered high-end talents, accumulated more than 70 years of experience, and more than 100 technical personnel with intermediate and senior professional titles. Relying on the in-depth cooperation between industry, academia, and research, we innovate and transform high-quality products. A precision casting mold is the foundation of a high-quality product. 40 years of experience making us an industry craftsman. Fine-grained control of the entire process creates the ultimate craftsmanship. 10 medium-frequency induction furnaces can produce large workpieces up to 28 tons in a single casting. Kingda Pump Group invested 220 million yuan in upgrading its production equipment, integrating human-machine collaboration to achieve a higher level of precision. We use renowned brand equipment to ensure superior product quality. From production preparation to finished product, each product is strictly controlled, accurately recorded, and fully monitored, with complete data from the entire process. More than 70 years of assembly experience use professionalism to regulate industry standards. The workshop is equipped with a constant temperature, closed and dust-free storage room to ensure that the bearings are stored cleanly and without pollution. Kingda Pump Technology Department continues to innovate. The technical department has accumulated rich experience in design, manufacturing, and application, creating a professional manufacturer. Kingda Pump established the first impurity pump research institute in China. We have over 100 honorary certificates and R&D achievements, and we iterate and upgrade over 20 product models annually. We can comprehensively solve complex problems in various working conditions. A pioneer in high-chrome wear-resistant alloy materials in China, Kingda Pump has the full-chain innovation capabilities of material design, process optimization, and working condition adaptation. We are committed to the research of wear-resistant stone mechanism, systematic cutting-edge technology research, and the development and optimization of high-performance wear resistance materials. Full process testing using data to ensure product performance. Raw material quality is the first hurdle in determining product quality. Furnace front testing is a crucial step in controlling molten iron composition. After the spectrum test is qualified, it can be taken out of the furnace and poured. All data is traceable throughout the entire process, ensuring that the quality of metal materials meets required standards. This provides critical data for process improvements and various R&D projects. The largest slurry pump testing platform in China. It can fully meet the requirements of full performance testing and quality inspection of various pump types in the current industry. Kingda Group, rooted in China, expanding the world, serving over 70 countries and regions, making exceptional contributions to the promotion and innovation of slurry pump technology. Kingda Group, provider of green solutions for fluid transportation. Strive to be a world-class century-old factory, together with Kingda for your safe production and efficient operation.